So guys, whether you are Windows 10 or Windows 11, the solution is going to be the same for both systems, and there is a good chance that you have already tried this test before. But this time you need to run all these commands in the correct order. So click the Windows button, type cmd and run it as administrator. Now just run all these commands one by one in the right sequence. The first command will check if the Windows system image has any corruption, and second will tell you whether the corruption found is repairable or not. Third will repair the corrupted Windows system image, and the last command will scan and fix corrupted or missing system file in your Windows. So the correct order will give your PC the proper treatment. Once all commands are done, restart your PC and your problem should be gone.